final chapter. All right, guys, welcome. You can sing, you can hum the next part, you know. Wait, please don't leave the chorus. We're almost there. I'm sorry, I won't sing again, I promise. Okay, guys, so let's hook up the authorization. This is looking really nice. I can't just zoom in normally. But the final step here, again, as I mentioned, is to do the authorization. Now, every platform, of course, is gonna have their own way to hook up and integrate. What's great about using Make.com or these automation websites and platforms that are super integrative is because they already have a lot done under the hood with integrating into Facebook. It's part of the competitive nature for them to streamline these processes as much as possible, which is great because if you're programming, it's just so much more work involved. You have to go into the dev tool, you have to go into the dev docs, and you have to run the tests and the hookups, get the endpoint, check it out on the server, work with the back end, the front end. It's a whole ordeal. But here, a lot of that's going to be streamlined. There are a few caveats, and there's a few hurdles because not everyone likes to play ball. Start with Facebook, and you'll see what I mean by this. Facebook's going to be, I think, the easiest one. So we're going to go ahead and you want to create a new module, and we're going to search for Facebook. And what we want to do already when you see Facebook in the options here, what we want to find here is Facebook pages. And from Facebook pages, we can do stuff with the page. We could even create a post with photos, but we're just going to look at creating a post and leave the photos for Instagram. So we'll click on Create Post. And it's going to ask you to basically hook up your Facebook page. It's going to ask you to connect and sign in, and that's really the process. I've already done it, but it's going to do it through Integromat, which is the name of Make.com. Formerly, you want to save, go through the authorizing, sign in, continue. I'm just doing this again to show you. And it'll verify, and once it's good, that's it, guys. That is all we had to do to verify. That is so, I don't know what the word is. It's such a relief, especially if you come from web development and you know the process of auth and you're using it like this. It's so easy. I hate the Facebook dev documentation. And under pages, you should actually find the page that would be linked to your page. So if you don't have a page linked to your regular page, what you'd want to do is create one. And creating a Facebook page linking to your profile is completely free. So you just got to go to facebook.com/pages/create. So pages/create. And that will basically, oops, I think I made a mistake on that. Actually, it's business.facebook.com/pages.create. And then you can just get started and you can make one like that. Once you have a page, make a test page. I want you to make make a fake Instagram account or a test account. Also hook that up to the Facebook. Make a fake or a test X, because I don't want you to be posting right away on your real stuff until you know it's good. Then I want you to choose it. So I'm going to choose mine's Clarion here. And then after that's done, now comes the most beautiful part of all, which is all we need to do is just take our Facebook post. There it is. And that's because it's so easy, because we did all the heavy lifting already. We could add a link to it. We don't have to. Let's just go ahead and save. And boom. We're good. We're done. It's great. And now we have Facebook connected. Next up, we want to do Instagram. So we're going to click on Instagram here. We see we have Instagram for Business, which would be connected through our Facebook. It's how we'd want to do that. And then you should have it connected together. And we want to create a photo post. So again, you want to go through the authorization. I'm not going to do that. I got to remove those pages. I'm going to do that actually today. And then I have Clarion over here, and we want the photo URL, IG photo, done. We want the caption, IG caption, done. Save, we did it. Boom. Pretty nice, right? Pretty nice so far. I gave you a whole spiel in the beginning, how it can be annoying, and this has been not annoying so far. Next up, let's do LinkedIn, because that one's also going to be not so bad. So we're gonna go to LinkedIn here, and we'll go into LinkedIn, and we'll create a user text post. And again, you wanna go through the authorization with LinkedIn, connection, it's gonna authorize, it's gonna do all of the heavy lifting for you. You wanna sign in, it'll verify the account. Okay, and then for content, linked, done, and dragged, beautiful, we'll save. Again, very nice. Now X is gonna be slightly more annoying. So we'll go to X here, we'll make a new module. We're gonna type in X, formerly Twitter, and we're gonna click on create a post. What it's gonna ask you for is a client ID and a client secret. Now, in order to get the client ID and the client secret, you need to go into the developer portal. The developer portal can be found at developer.x.com. You should be signed in, and then it should take you to the developer version of you. You want to click on that portal, open it up. You're not going to find this on ChatGPT or Google. You have to kind of figure this out on your own. It's pretty annoying. The docs aren't that good either. You want to go into projects and apps. From projects and apps, you want to check on the keys and tokens. And here at client secret and client ID, this is what you want to set up. All right, I already have mine. So you want to have the client ID and the client secret. I already have mine. I'm not going to show you it because I don't want anyone to get access to my account. But you just want to copy and paste those. I just did that, but I didn't want to show what that was. Client ID, client secret, get those, paste them in. It should hook up your account, and then you're good to roll. And all we have to do then is take our X variable and paste it under content and save and run a full save. And guys, that's it. That's it. We're here. We're here. This is beautiful stuff, my friends. We've done it. Now, does this work? Will this work? And how well will this work? Well, make sure you have all this set up, and I'm going to stop here, and in the next lesson, we're going to run these tests together, cross our fingers, and see what the view looks like from up high. Hopefully we don't fall off the cliff. Instead, we take a nice picture, and it's one for the books. Great work, guys.